Well, maganda yung attitude na yun, ano? It seems to be working, as you said. He's been having the better of it against Wesley Wilson.
His match mula sa Rocking Moroccan versus the Lethal Weapon. Nagmukhang Lethal Weapon. Ito si Wesley Wilson, only with 10 points and 5 rebounds. At Reda Ralimi, like you said, this guy, well, like he was saying, he's here for defense, he's here for rebounding, to make his teammates look good. And he's done an excellent job of that tonight.
Ano yun? Lethal Weapon? All right. 12-point lead by Pure Foods. Kelly Williams was open in three-point land. He decided to go in against Reda Ralimi. And Ralimi gives up the foul and sends Kelly Williams to the line. Meron pa tayo 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. And Kelly Williams, one of the authors of the big comeback by Santa Lucia in the third quarter, kung saan lumumang sila ng 11, no?
He's going to have to write another chapter because his team is down by 10 with still 5 minutes and 20 to go.
Williams himself has 21 points so far, pero sabi mo nga, no, 10 ang binubuno nilang deficit. And Kelly Williams, as you said, he's trying to write another book. Or another chapter at least, as Bitoy Omolon is stymied by Roger Yap, who picks up his fourth. Yes, Jason.
Well, and only 2 ball handlers on the floor right now para sa Pure Foods. Remember, when they were successful, magkasabay si James Yap at saka si Peter Jun Simon. So they had a lot of guys that were able to bring down that basketball in case Santa Lucia pressured.
Yeah.
So right there, nung nag-pressure, napunta yung bola kay Jordan Salvador. Guys that don't really want to bring down that basketball.
And Kelly Williams quick to pounce on that. At nakuha nga niya yung bola. And now they cut the lead to single digit at 76-68. Roger Yap up against Ryan Reyes. Here's Kirby versus Kelly. And Ryan Reyes grabs it and goes off. 3-on-2. Nice passing, but bad shot. Picked up by Ryan. Inside to Kelly Williams. Medyo nagmamadali yata. May mga lakad ba tayo, mga bossing?
Sakto sinabi mo, could have had a chance to set up.
They had a fresh 24-second shot clock. Instead, nagmadali sila. And here comes Kelly Williams also in a rush. And Roger Yap again stands in the way. At mukhang panglima na yan on Roger. So free throws na naman para kay Kelly Williams. 10-point lead by Pure Foods at the moment. 4:26 remaining in the game. And that has to hurt. At ito, pinag-dispatcha na si Coach Ryan Gregorio, si Peter Jun Simon. 1 of 2 by Kelly. Lead is 9 para sa Pure Foods. Ralimi off to Kirby Raimundo. Marlu's there. And that one goes out of bounds in favor of Santa Lucia.
And you see how this will change kung nandiyan na si Peter Jun Simon when they try to break that trap. Kanina ang napunta sa gitna si Ralimi at saka si Jordan Salvador. Now, if Peter Jun Simon is in that situation, he again is going to get more layups, just like what he was doing a while ago.
That's right. And here comes Joseph Yo. Ginabas kay Kelly Williams. Muntik na mawala ang bola. Joseph Yo launches it. Marlo Aquino unable to get to James Yap. Oh, ayun na sinasabi mo eh. Yung sinasabi mo, Jason, ang dahil sa Peter Jun Simon, you're going to get those layups.
Just on cue, pagpasok na pagpasok. I don't think there's any guy that's more instant offense as Peter Jun Simon right now in the PBA.
And Bitoy Omolon also gets a taste of what Ralimi can dish out. Yung maganda sinabi ni Ralimi kanina lang, ano? He's not here to make a name for himself. He has a job to do, and that's to make his team win. At compared to Darius Rice, of course, who could score a bundle at any given time, he pales in comparison offense-wise, numbers-wise, that is. Pero Malaking tulong talaga eh. James Yap misses. Bitoy Umunon para sa rebound. Peter Jun Simon trying to take it away. Tatawagan ng foul si Simon. That's his first personal. We only have 3 minutes and 19 seconds remaining dito sa larong ito. If you didn't catch the first game, it was Alaska over Talk and Text. The score there,